Hi, welcome to Party Food Hero. I'm Aaron. Today we're going to be making banana bread. Not your ordinary banana bread. This is going to be banana bread with Nutella in addition. Not just made out of Nutella and that's it. It's still made out of bananas, your standard ingredients. But it is absolutely delicious. Very moist, super flavorful. And it gives you something to do with those old bananas that are just sitting on your counter that you don't know what you're going to do with. This is what you can do with it. Very easy to make. Let's go check it out. All right, here are the ingredients to an amazing banana bread with Nutella swirls. Yeah, you're going to have those old bananas you don't know what to do with. This is what you do with old bananas, and it is amazing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sift in a large bowl your flour, and then you're going to put in your salt, your baking soda, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The reason you sift it, so it's nice and not lumpy is the technical term. So sift it all through, get all the lumps out, and you're going to have a nice smooth batter, which will make a nice, smooth, and delicious banana bread. Sift it just like that. Nice sifting. Then once you're done sifting it, you're just going to mix it all together. Like that. All right, in your mixing bowl, you're going to add in your brown sugar and your room temperature butter that you may have had to make room temperature using your microwave. And then you're going to cream these two ingredients together until they are nice and smooth. So once you've mixed your butter and sugar and it looks like this, using a stand mixer or a hand mixer, whatever you want to use, or a whisk if you're brave, you're going to add in your egg, and then you're going to add in your vanilla extract. And then after that, we are going to add in some sour cream. And the sour cream is what really helps this banana bread become super moist. I see a lot of recipes actually that ask for sour cream. A lot of cake recipes, and that just makes a very, very delicious, moist banana bread. So that it might sound kind of odd to put that in there, but it makes a giant difference. So definitely don't skip out on the sour cream. We're making, I know you're like, are we making tacos? No, we're making banana bread and it's delicious, so please just do it. Thank you. And then you're gonna obviously mix that all in together eventually. Yeah, I probably should have cut this part out. I'm sorry. So there you go. Mix it all together and it's going to become a little bit lighter in color. Now you're going to add in your bananas and you're going to fold those in nicely or gently mix them, however you want to do it. But, you know, it's banana bread, so yeah, you have to put bananas in it, or it would be some other sort of bread. Just mix that in. Now you're going to add in your wonderfully sifted dry ingredients, a third at a time. That way you're not making a giant mess as you're trying to mix it all together. So you add it in there, mix it in, add another third, mix it in, mix it all together until it looks like this. Nice and well incorporated. You can see those chunks of banana. Now we're going to add it into the pan. You're only going to put half the batter in, and then we're going to add some Nutella on top. So just put half in. All right, now you're going to put your Nutella in. And there's really no illegal amount of Nutella that you can put in, but you don't want to go too crazy. You do, however, want to ensure that every bite contains Nutella in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a skewer, a fork, toothpick, whatever you got, and we're kind of just going to swirl it into the batter. We're not mixing it together. We're just swirling it. That way we know everyone's going to get a great bite of Nutella with every bite of this bread. And then you pour the rest of the banana bread batter on top. And you'll just kind of shake it to level it out, kind of just tap it and tap it on the counter, tap the sides, tap, tap, tap. Hey, there I am. I'm such a good director. And just so there's no doubt that this is banana bread with Nutella, we are going to add more Nutella to the top. We're going to use the same technique here where we use the rest, and then we're going to take our skewer, our fork, whatever you got, and then we're going to swirl it around, thus absolutely ensuring that every bite of this Nutella banana bread or banana bread Nutella, however you want to say it, probably the first way is the correct way, will always have a Nutella bite in there. Whatever. You know what I mean. Whatever. So that's what you do. Get it all out there. And then you just swirl it all in till it looks like this. Isn't that just beautiful? And then it's to the oven. Once it's done baking, you're going to take it out, set it on a cooling rack in the bread pan for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to pull it out, let it cool for another 10 minutes outside of the bread pan. You want to make sure it's nice and cooled, not cold, but cooled before you start cutting it. Now that it's cooled, it's time to cut it. It will deflate a little bit as it cools, so be aware of that. And look, you get a little smiley face. That's how delicious this is. It's so happy to be eaten, and you can just see how moist that is, just right there. Oh my gosh, moist, moist, moist. It is so good. But yeah, there you go. Deliciousness. Let's get some gratuitous shots of this. I honestly probably couldn't wait, so I probably just ate this right now because it was really good. It was delicious. Make this. You're gonna love it. But let's do some scandalous shots of this banana bread.
All right, now for my favorite part of the video, I get to eat the food. Now, as you can tell, not really hard to make, and it's super delicious. Didn't take very long. The nice thing about it is if you don't like Nutella, you could put like chocolate chips in there. You could do make a caramel sauce. You could put nothing. It's delicious on its own. This banana bread recipe is amazing. Just, you can sans the Nutella and it's still great. Still really moist, very flavorful, very banana-y. So here we go. Let's try it out. All right, so we got a little piece. See how moist that is? You can see the Nutella that's in there. So moist. Wow. Yeah, it's really good. So obviously the first thing that hits you is how moist it is. It's so moist. I know some people don't like that word, but that's what it is. It's moist. And you get the banana, and then at the end you get that Nutella. It's not overpowering at all. It's definitely banana with a little bit of Nutella flavor kind of at the back end. But it's delicious. It's really good. You got to try it out. Definitely make it, especially we all have been there where we have those old bananas we don't know what we're going to do with. Make banana bread. Everyone loves it. Makes your house smell amazing. Makes it smell so good for at least a day. If you learned anything new, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram at partyfoodhero. All the recipes, all the ingredients, everything are at partyfoodhero.com, so go check that out. And there's a ton of different recipes that we have, so go check them all out. They got something for almost everybody, so go check it out. It's amazing. You'll love it. Very informative, and it's just the recipes. It's not, you don't have to scroll down for 20 minutes to find the recipe. It's right there. Search it. There, boom. You don't have to scroll through my life story. And remember, be the party food hero. Yes, it is late, but I'm still gonna eat this.
Be the party food hero.